Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss that how to hide last seen and online status on Telegram. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Telegram app and then on the top left corner you will see three lines. Click on it and then go to the settings button. From here you will see privacy and security button. Click on it and then in the privacy panel you will see last seen and online option. This is by default set to everybody. If you want to change it, just click on this option and then change it to nobody. On the top right corner you will see a tick. Click on it and then click on OK button. And there you have it. Now nobody will be able to see your last seen or online status. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.